Hey YouTube, Dragon Demon 20 here with a super massive pack opening. I have for you today 14 Number Hunter packs and 5 War of the Giant packs. I'm continuing my number hunt and I'm continuing my Slifer hunt, so everyone wish me luck. We're going to start with the Number Hunters because they're the most. Also, a big shout out to my friend Danny. It's his birthday today.
Hello, YouTube.
He's 25. Look at this man.
I am. And right. He's at my house right now, not his own house, so the back one's probably different.
Right. It's not my boring bedroom.
Exactly.
First Number Hunter pack, guys. And we've got Battle Cruiser Dianthus, Creevolt. Ooh, the Chaos version of the same one I just pulled. Fudge it. Fortune Tune.
Nice.
Not bad. I already have it, but still.
So you could have extras.
Perfect trade bait. Comics Hero King Arthur as my secrets. And then for the supers, we've got these guys. So not a bad pack. If anybody's out there wanting to build those gimmick puppet decks, let me know. Another Princess Cologne. Got 2 of them now. Ooh. Battle Warrior.
Nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And I got Chakra too. Got the Virtual at Home.
Nice.
Another Baby Dragon.
Wait.
Yes!
Oh shit!
Giant Grinder, folks! Giant Grinder! One of the numbers I needed. Yes!
Nicely done.
That's 2 more I need.
That is nice.
Lionheart and Master of Blades. Come on, numbers. Give me something good. Heroic Challenger Ambush Soldier. Not bad. Rocket Arrow Express. Nice. Alright. Stubborn packs, guys. Stubborn packs. Yes, the Dust Lord Chakra, Equipped Veneer, the Creevolt, and the Chaos version of King Arthur.
Nice.
Hey, I'm not complaining, dude. Another Battle Warrior.
Another Battle Warrior.
And Sky Pegasus.
Sky Pegasus.
Nice. It's another extra number. For any of you number hunters out there that haven't gotten your hands on them yet, hit me up.
Yeah.
Sky Palace. I do not know how to pronounce his name. Another Fortune Tune. And Samoji Soldier.
Ooh. Interesting.
Yes, it is interesting. Interesting like a hole in the head. Okay, that's a playset of Battle Warriors, ladies and gentlemen. 3 of them. Nordito, the Moral Leader. Ooh. Chaos Xyz, Simon the Great Moral Leader. Oh. Ooh. Zombow Wow. Awesome. For the cuteness factor. Alright, we're down to the last 3 packs of Number Hunters, guys, so wish me luck. A 3rd Princess Cologne. That's a playset, guys.
And the last one.
No, second to last one. Photon Alexandria Queen. Not bad.
Okay.
Alright. Last Number Hunter pack, guys. Fingers crossed. Chaos Xyz Battleship Cherry Blossom. Alright.
I'd say not bad, actually.
No, not bad at all. Alright, guys. Now for the War of the Giants packs. We have
Opening your pack?
Yep.
Cool.
Beast King Barbaros and Splendid Venus as our Mosaic and our normal rare. Premature Burial and Chaos Hunter. Dodobot and Hyper Ancient Shark Megalodon. Cloning and Premature Burial. Last one, it's Slifer, so you never know. Card-Cardy, folks, Card-Cardy. Not bad. All in all, I'd say hit and miss with the packs, but what are you going to do? Dragon Demon 20, signing out. Make sure to like and subscribe. Adios.